Hello, hope everybody is in the best of health. In this video, we'll be estimating how much does the YouTube channel Kentucky Ballistics make. To get some statistics on their channel, we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far, they have uploaded 433 videos and amassed a subscriber count of 1.66 million. And their video views to date is 218,399,830. And their channel was created back in May 14, 2010. And to get an estimate of how much they're earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator. And we'll be estimating that their CPM is $4. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per thousand views. And this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does a viewer end up watching an ad for, and also if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. But with an estimated CPM of $4 and their daily view count being 396,000, they'll be earning $1,584 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, leaving them with $871, and for the month they'll be earning $26,136, and for the year $313,632.